Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to buy new listing coins on Kucoin. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First open up the Kucoin app and make sure to logged in here. Scroll down a little and you'll go to new. So you will start the new coins right here and you will check them out. So these are the recently new coins that have been listed and you can change ease. And you can actually see those that have been doing well and have been doing great. So let's go with Redstone right here. So as you can see, it has been a newly listed coin top in popularity, and as you can see, it has plummeted ever since. So this is a good opportunity to buy, and of course do your own research on what you are buying. So you can buy this new listed coin on Kucoin by pressing buy, and then you're going to be able to trade it with the spot paired with USDT. So you can buy a limit order, or you can do a market order and confirm. So there, it'll give you the best market price right now, which is listed right here in the middle. So you will place here the amount of USDT you want to trade for Redstone, and then buy Redstone. So that's basically how you can buy new listing coins on Kucoin. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.